Well, the U.S. now has another weapon to fight the coronavirus. Following FDA approval, the first doses of the Moderna vaccine were administered today in the U.S. And the Vatican gives out some new guidance assuring the faithful that it is morally acceptable to receive COVID-19 vaccines. Correspondent Mark Irons reports. Mark?
Tracy, this comes as more countries are enforcing travel restrictions against the UK after concerns about a new strain of the coronavirus was found there. But let's start in the U.S. with the delivery of another vaccine.
A second vaccine now shipping across America. With the Moderna and Pfizer shots now in circulation, more people can be vaccinated across the U.S. In addition to healthcare workers, nursing home and long-term care facility residents have begun receiving their vaccines. But health officials warn of tough times ahead. According to data from Johns Hopkins University, known cases in the U.S. double about every 2 months. Holiday travel and gatherings could bump up the numbers.
I think, unfortunately, it will get worse because we still are experiencing the outcome of the Thanksgiving holidays.
Meanwhile, these countries have placed travel restrictions on the UK amid concerns about a new strain of the coronavirus found there. Though health officials say it appears to spread more quickly, coronavirus vaccines will still be effective.
There is no evidence of, nor reason to believe, it is not any more lethal or any more dangerous than the normal coronavirus.
As the vaccines ship out, UPS driver Todd Elbel says it's the most important load he's ever hauled, and it carries even more weight following the death of his father to COVID-19.
We lost a family member, and when I was asked to do this, I couldn't think of a better honor to do for my father than to do this today.
Finally, in new guidance, the Vatican's Congregation for the Doctrine of the Faith says when ethical vaccines are not available, it is morally acceptable to use vaccines that rely on abortion-derived cell lines in research or production. But this is in no way a moral endorsement of the use of those types of cell lines. In the studio, Mark Irons, EWTN News Nightly.